Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous videos where we had discussed about oil pulling and general dental tips, a lot of people had inquired about pyorrhea. Everybody wants to know what is bad breath, or also known as halitosis. So I'll be explaining it in two parts. First would be the reasons for bad breath and next would be the solutions to it. First, the most common reason of halitosis is the food which is stuck in our mouth overnight. And why is it stuck in our mouth overnight? Because we did not follow the night regime which was discussed in the previous video. Okay, so you have to brush your teeth properly and rinse your mouth thoroughly after each and every meal. As I said, it is non-negotiable. So the most common cause of bad breath is the food which is stuck in the oral cavity, and it creates bacteria which leads to this smell. Next reason is a lot of consumption to garlic. Garlic has that smell which lingers on for a very long period of time. Next, dehydration. When you are dehydrated, there's a typical smell which comes from your tongue. So that is the third reason for halitosis. Now, what you need to do is solutions to these problems. Number one, rinsing your mouth after every meal. Next, drink lots of water. Do not get your body to get dehydrated. Okay, next, go for oil pulling techniques if you feel that bad breath has become constant with you. So go for oil pulling. Every alternate days you can even use mouthwash, although that is a temporary thing, but that will give you a relief for a short period of time. Okay, and avoid eating garlic when you are on this little detox of removal of bad breath. So these are the most common things and the solutions to it. I hope this helps. Stick to it. Also, if there is any particular topic on which you want me to cover things, let me know in the comment section below. Till the meantime, drink lots of water and brush properly. Thank you.